to turn it on for you?
Yeah, that would be awesome. Is it fast?
Hey there. Got video on that?
Yeah.
Turn the video on.
All right, guys, so it is an absolutely gorgeous day out, and I just want to say thank you for hanging out with me for a little while. If you're new, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now, today what we're going to do is head out to a pretty large meet. I think it happens every year. It's over at Cap Tree over on Long Island, New York. It's over by the ocean, so the audio is probably going to be a little bit harsh. It's very windy at this point, but it's going to be a gorgeous day out. The sun is shining. We'll probably see some really cool cars. I'm going to see if there's any Mopars out there, see if they have any mods or anything. So let's get a cold start and we'll get going. Hey, whose build is this? This is insane.
This just came from True Street.
Did it?
Yeah, Jim built it.
Forged bottom end and everything?
What's that?
Forged pistons,
A whole
crank,
motor,
everything?
426, yeah. The whole thing, forged piston, turbo cams.
It's a nice build.
Oh yeah.
Very nice.
It's over 1,000 horsepower on pump gas.
Yeah. So on 93? 93, it's making 1,000? Are you thinking about getting it on E?
I have it all set up for it. E,
Okay.
race fuels.
Are you taking
Race
it to ACO or
race
what?
fuel probably about 12.
You going to ACO?
I show it, I don't race it.
Okay.
She goes, you serious? All that money, you don't fucking race it.
No, when you race it, you break it.
Yeah,
man. Dude, I totally understand. It's beautiful though. It's fun having that kind of power though, you know?
Yeah,
so
E85 probably about 14.
yeah.
Just to get to 60 miles an hour, it's fun.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep. You probably roast the tires every time you touch the gas
I
pedal.
was doing 72 miles an hour the other day on Bob Moses.
Uh-huh.
I hit the switch. Fucking cars went sideways. 72.
Oh, I'm sure.
Smoke. I was like, fuck. Don't hit the switch. Don't hit the switch.
That's what you wanted.
Well,
No, that's what I want.
hell of a build. Dude,
Thanks.
this is awesome.
Once his computer recognizes it, chop oil once it recognizes it.
You want him to turn it on for you?
Yeah, that would be awesome. Is it fast?
Hey there. Got video on that?
Yeah.
Turn the video on.
That's a heck of a motor right there. What is this, the Model 3 or S?
Hey, it fits, right? It fits.
Oh yeah.
I wish it was a little bit bigger though.
These things are quick, right?